Hey guys, so today is basically the official first moving day. It's kind of the day to move loads of stuff, so like ceiling lights, bits of furniture, artwork, and just kind of get everything in the flat, because on the weekend, it's Friday today, on the weekend we're gonna officially set everything up, and anything that's flat packed will be put up, and putting cabinets up in the bathroom and stuff, and I'm moving in on Sunday. So it's so weird, but I feel like it actually hasn't sunk in, because it's been a thing that's been going on for ages, but it's actually happening. So I guess until Sunday night comes and I'm actually there and all the furniture's up, I'm not gonna think that it's real. So we are now taking lots of stuff to the flat. I have my breakfast bar leg in here, my espresso coffee machine in here. I've got some chinaware, like plates and bowls in here. And I've got Luna here. And then I've got loads of different bits in here, coasters, cups, tea towels, stuff like that. Got the artwork here, lights here, some hangers and like floor moppy stuff. And then my bathroom cabinet, which is here. It's not blue, this is just like protective film, it's white. So this is the sofa that I've ordered. It will be in a pale grey. So this grey here isn't the actual colour. It will be like a lighter grey. But yeah, it's super comfy and I love it. And this is the console table that I've got for my hallway. So guys, we're in the flat. My mum is hoovering. Let me just shut the door because it's really loud. So guys, we're in the flat, my mum is hoovering, but we've just bought some bits. This is the piece of art that I have coming in here, and guys, I am absolutely obsessed with it. I love it so much. It's basically 3 images in one. So it goes to this quote: a day without laughter is a day wasted, and then it goes to this colourful picture of Charlie Chaplin, and then this side is a picture of him as well. So yeah, we've just got some bits in here. This is my wardrobes and everything. And then there's a mat that's gonna be outside the flat. So then when I come in, if it's rainy or wet, I can rub my feet. And I'm just bringing some like cleaning stuff as well. But yeah, so this is basically all the wardrobes that need to be set up. Went to Dunelm and got some temporary hanging bits for washing as well. Fresh and painted, all the doors were painted as well. This lighting's really good today. I wish I filmed the empty apartment tour when it was like this sunny. My mum's hoovering, bless her. In here, this is, I don't know what that is, I think that's for the wardrobe. But I've got a bedside, I've got a bathroom cabinet that's gonna be up here as well, so I can put all my skincare in there. We're gonna set up my Nespresso machine and, is it in here? And make a coffee, our first coffee here. And yeah, I need to get some more mugs. I don't really have many mugs, but my client, Dr. K, got me these, so sweet. I love these a lot. So the machine is here. It's the Nespresso Virtuo in grey. I've never had an espresso machine, so I'm excited. So I've got my kettle and toaster here, and then the pods. It came with like 50 pods, so I think they're actually all in here as well. So here is the blow up sofa. I actually love the look of it. It's super cool and it's actually really comfy. It was from Argos and it was only £55. So yeah, this is gonna be temporarily here because my sofa doesn't come until February. But the sofa isn't gonna be in this spot, it's actually gonna be over here. So I'm opening the curtains and we'll put them hung over the shower rail so they can start dropping the creases. These are from Matalan. So this is basically goodbye to my room. We're just taking everything out. So here is the bathroom cabinet, all fitted. Millie's here. Yeah, it's a really good size, and we just need to peel this blue off. It's not actually blue, but I'm super happy about that. I can add all my skincare bits in there. Hey guys, so I'm sorry this video was all over the place. I'm not very used to vlogging and, you know, doing all the clips day by day, every second of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway. I'm gonna end it here because I've got more footage of when things have arrived. I'm gonna show you guys like the rooms now, they've really come together, especially the main living room. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry it was all over the place, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love every single one of you guys. Bye.